If you're watching this video right now, make sure you stay until the very end, especially if you are over the age of 60 and want to remain energetic, active, and healthy for many more years. And before we begin, subscribe to the channel. Here we talk openly, directly, and without embarrassment about subjects that many people avoid, even though they are extremely important. In fact, some of the things you'll hear today are rarely discussed, even in medical offices. As we grow older, one of the biggest changes happening inside the body is a gradual decline in blood circulation, especially in the pelvic region. Most people never pay attention to this until the symptoms become impossible to ignore. But the truth is, healthy blood flow affects nearly every important function in the body. It influences your intimate health, bladder function, reproductive organs, bowel movements, hormonal stability, and even emotional well-being. Unfortunately, very few people speak honestly about this issue. Many simply assume that fatigue, weakness, reduced desire, discomfort, or urinary problems are just a normal part of aging. But in many cases, poor circulation is one of the hidden causes. The good news is that there are natural ways to support your body, and one of the most important moments of the day is actually the morning. So why does circulation begin to weaken after 60? Over the years, blood vessels naturally become less elastic. Muscles in the pelvic area start losing strength and tone. Blood and lymphatic fluids may begin moving more slowly, creating congestion inside the body. At the same time, hormone production gradually declines, which also affects circulation and tissue health. Little by little, less oxygen and fewer nutrients reach the organs located in the lower part of the body. For men, this can lead to prostate discomfort, bladder issues, and reduced performance. For women, it may contribute to lower sensitivity, dryness, inflammation, or even weakening of pelvic support muscles after menopause. And while many people think there's nothing they can do about it, that simply isn't true. Now let's talk about something practical. What should you consume in the morning to naturally encourage better blood circulation in these areas? The answer is surprisingly simple. Your body responds well to foods that support healthy blood vessels, improve microcirculation, reduce inflammation, and increase natural energy production. Let's go through some of the most effective morning options. First, walnuts mixed with honey. This combination is both nourishing and powerful for circulation. Walnuts contain healthy fats and arginine, an amino acid that helps blood vessels relax and expand naturally. Honey supports the heart and provides gentle energy to the body. Together, they create an excellent morning boost. All you need is 2 or 3 walnuts with 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Eat them on an empty stomach shortly after waking up. Second, warm lemon water with a small pinch of cayenne pepper. This simple drink gently awakens the circulatory system. Lemon helps cleanse and hydrate the body, while cayenne pepper stimulates blood flow and warms the system from within. It can also support metabolism and help wake up sluggish circulation in the morning. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water, add just a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper, stir well, and drink it slowly after getting out of bed. Third, eggs cooked with green herbs and olive oil. Eggs are rich in nutrients that support the nervous system, muscles, and vascular health. Green herbs like parsley, basil, dill, or spinach contain compounds that help improve circulation naturally. Olive oil provides healthy fats that support the heart and blood vessels. Cook your eggs in a small amount of olive oil and add fresh herbs on top. A little sea salt can also enhance the flavor and mineral content. Fourth, dark chocolate in small amounts. Many people are surprised by this one. Good quality dark chocolate contains flavonoids that help improve circulation and support blood vessel flexibility. Just a few small pieces in the morning may help increase blood flow not only to the brain, but throughout the body. Of course, moderation matters. A small amount is enough to gain the benefits. Fifth, tomatoes or natural tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for supporting vascular health and improving circulation. They also help protect blood vessels from damage caused by aging. You can drink a glass of tomato juice before breakfast or simply add fresh tomato slices to your morning meal. Sixth, garlic. Garlic remains one of the strongest natural remedies for improving circulation. It supports the cardiovascular system, helps keep blood vessels cleaner, and may naturally thin the blood slightly, allowing smoother circulation. Take 1 garlic clove, crush it gently, and swallow it with water around 10 to 15 minutes before breakfast. Yes, the smell may not be pleasant, but many people believe the benefits are worth it. Now here's something important. Why is the morning such a powerful time for these habits? Because early in the day, your body is more responsive. Blood vessels react more actively to stimulation, metabolism begins accelerating, and circulation-related hormones become more active. Morning routines help set the rhythm for the rest of the day. When you stimulate blood flow early, the entire body benefits. Many people begin noticing increased warmth, improved energy, clearer thinking, and even better mood levels after building consistent morning habits. But food alone is not enough. If you truly want to support healthy pelvic circulation after 60, there are a few simple daily practices you should combine with proper nutrition. One of the best things you can do is start your morning with light movement. Even 5 minutes of squats next to your bed can activate the pelvic muscles and improve circulation in the lower body. Another excellent habit is taking a contrast shower. Alternating warm and cool water encourages blood vessels to expand and contract, which stimulates circulation throughout the body. You can also massage your lower back gently or lightly tap the buttocks and upper legs to encourage blood flow toward the pelvic organs. These habits can be especially useful for men struggling with prostate-related discomfort and for women experiencing changes after menopause. The most important thing is consistency. You cannot expect dramatic changes after only one morning, but if you follow these habits regularly for a week or two, your body may begin responding in noticeable ways. Many people report feeling more energetic, lighter, warmer, and emotionally better balanced. Some even notice improvements in confidence, vitality, and intimate health. And remember this, growing older does not mean giving up on feeling alive, strong, or full of energy. Your body still responds to care, movement, and proper nutrition at every age. If you stayed until the end of this video, it means you truly care about your health and well-being, and that already puts you ahead of many others. If you found this information useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Here we speak honestly, openly, and only about the things that genuinely matter for a healthier and better life.